So here's the 4-motor FT Cruiser, and we did a little bit of work to it. Let me show you what I did. First thing I did is I fixed the nose here, put the camera in here, and put this on little magnets so I can get in there and start the recording and change the SD card when I need to. Got a new front end here, put magnets on it too, and there we go. We got a 4S in there. There's everything we've done so far. The front wheel still, I put a smaller wheel on it. It's still wobbly, still ain't great. Using the same props. We're going to try new ones next time. This is just for today. See what 4S does if it doesn't smoke and blow up. It's supposed to work. It's all rated for it, but it's old stuff, so I don't know. Put another sticker on there. But everything else is pretty much the same. So when we take it up today, we'll see what we got. Okay, so off we go. Now I noticed that the planes I build for FPV with the motors on the wings seem to have really short takeoff. And this one's no exception. You basically just give it a little throttle and pull up and it takes off. This plane still flies really nice, I'm surprised. 4S seems a little bit peppy, but I really couldn't tell that much. 3S seemed to be okay. Next we try blades, new propellers. I got a whole bag of old drone propellers, different sizes, and we'll see what works best. So 4S is fine, I guess. It didn't smoke, no blowing up. I'm going to cut the video short so you don't have to watch me go back and forth flying this plane, because that's kind of all we did. So we're going to cut it short, bring it on in, and we'll be flying this plane all summer. Plan on doing a lot of flying this summer. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and please give me a like. It helps out. And we're going to bring it in and call it a morning with the FT Cruiser with 4 motors. Thanks for watching.